Hey guys, what's up? I just got these packing cubes in the mail from Amazon and I'm super excited to check them out and thought I would do it with you. So, I'm just going to pull these out and we will take a look at what we got. So, looks like everything is contained in here. Yeah, all the packing cubes fit inside each other, which is pretty nice. Let's see what we got here. All right. Okay, so we have 4 of these. Each of them have this kind of like wipeable outer with a mesh over the top. And let me see. Wow, I really like how that zipper closes. Look at that. It's just like you can't even see that it's a zipper. I was like, where does it go? I think that's what helps to compress it. Look at how like expandable that is. So that's going to open it up. And then when you want to open the top, we have that. And that forms the cube. So I guess you could put some things in it and then use the zipper to try to kind of press that down. Or you could just use it in its full size. It does seem like it's going to be really easy to clean both on the inside and the outside. And then the zippers seem pretty well made. This is like, yeah, seems pretty good. And I really love how those zippers close. I think that's really cool, actually. Yeah, so we have that one. Then we have this one here. I swear I can't even tell which way they open because the zippers are so cool. So you could use it kind of like as the flat piece, but then it looks like each one of them opens up to be a bit bigger. There we go. Yeah, pretty nice. Definitely handy for staying organized. I like to keep, personally, like certain things that I can grab, like if I'm headed to the bathroom and I wanted like my PJs in one thing, or having like an outfit ready in my carry-on bag that I could take, you know, with other stuff to the bathroom. I think that can be handy, but also just kind of keeping things organized and as compressed as possible in your suitcase. So it looks like each one of these opens up the same, like it's got the zipper that goes all the way around and then the zipper that opens up the mesh top. I do like that you can also see into them through the mesh top. So if you're looking for something, you don't have to open up every bag. That's pretty handy. Anyway, I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.